Hello there. So I'm currently at the South Slough Estuary and Research area, a kind of set of hiking trails outside of Coos Bay that goes past some of these estuary and kind of riparian wetland type areas. Lots of wildlife and very few people. I think it was fairly recently opened. Like a lot of places, I'm definitely making sure that I'm going to areas that are not going to be in any way crowded. Gonna go hike down the trails, check out the wetlands, and see if I can find some wildlife and other critters to film. Wait. Wildlife and other critters? No. Just wildlife and other things. Check out the size of these. Just like practically their own canopy, like a tarp in the forest, but made out of leaf. It's amazing. Feels a whole lot like some kind of weird Alice in Wonderland dream where I've been like shrunk down and put in the produce aisle full of these gigantic leaves of lettuce all around me. Really an amazing place. I just love the vegetation and this just amazing, bizarre greenery. Well, the bad news is my battery on the wildlife camera ran out and the battery on this one is about to run out. I really need to get better about charging those things. But the good news is I found a woodpecker nest, got a little bit of footage of it, and because I know the location, I can come back in the future and sit around for a little while and hopefully get some really nice woodpecker footage of them feeding the offspring and possibly the offspring fledging. We'll see. just love these just fields. Well, fields I guess is a little strong term, but I just love all this collection of orchids down here. These just beautiful, beautiful purple flowers. Once again, I'm gonna go look up what they are because my botany knowledge is limited to, look at that pretty thing over there. But it's still just unbelievably beautiful. They're beautiful enough on their own, but there's something when there's a collection of them, when they're kind of all together, that it almost creates an effect that is greater than the individual flowers themselves, because there's such an organized structure in how the flowers are shaped that when you have a bunch of them with that color and that structure together, it just creates this sense that this is a special spot, that this is the flower place. Okay, well, I think that's gonna be it for today's video. You know, once again, it's always just so fun making these, and it's amazing to me how many beautiful places there are out here to wander around and film, and just how incredible a lot of these small scenes of nature are. And what's really fun about doing this kind of vlog series over time is that I can start to watch the landscape around me change, and there's constantly these new influxes of plants and colors and shapes and things to find and describe to you all. And it's just such a blast doing so. And I love that I'm also learning things in the course of this channel because, like I said, I have a very specialized knowledge set. And so for a lot of plant IDs, a lot of things like that, I haven't really known them before. So it's fun to see a kind of plant and start to try to identify what's going on there. So hope you enjoyed. So with the sun going down, I'm gonna go grab some food and get back to survey work. And so if you're not yet subscribed to Wanderlust, this is the part where I ask that you do so. Until next time, everyone, wander in wonder.